For CES 2018, we tested a new MSI gaming laptop that offers a unique enough feature so as to sell us on the genuine benefits of such a device: RGB lighting for days. Call us shallow, but it's a trick that works, especially lighting that works in tandem with fan-favorite games through SteelSeries GameSense software. The just-announced MSI GE63 Raider RGB edition is paired with an optional 15.6-inch 4K display, up to GTX 1070 graphics, and an Intel Core i7 processor, which generation MSI isn't saying just yet. It's clearly aiming to be the weapon of choice for esports players. Beyond that, this laptop promises a more gripping gaming experience in supported games with the prospect of GameSense heads-up display, HUD. MSI isn't saying much about the price of its attractive new gaming laptop, but has detailed some of the hardware options that will be available, and that it will launch in the second quarter of this year. So, between April and June. In addition to the optional 4K Ultra HD display, the laptop will house that undisclosed Intel Core i7 processor, either GTX 1060 or 1070 graphics and up to 32 GB of RAM. Storage capacities aren't final yet, either. Clearly, MSI was more worried about the core conceits of the device than necessarily its power profile, and rightly so. For this laptop's target audience, esports players and otherwise competitive PC gamers, GTX 1060 graphics are more than enough. Luckily, that core conceit already looks to be an incredible selling point for this gaming laptop. The MSI GE63 Raider RGB edition appears to be nigh identical to the previous GE63 VR Raider we reviewed late last year, so about 1.08 inches, 2.74 centimeters, thick and 4.85 pounds, 2.20 kilograms, heavy. Of course, now this gaming laptop is lathered in full RGB lighting capable of producing 24 million different colors across 12 zones, including the USB ports. Yes, light up USB ports.